Well, you're not quite both together yet, but you are in the same vicinity. What's it like being not so arrogant and annoying towards her? See, you seem to be having a good time. She's not worried. Look, I think she's actually happy to have you at your company. If you're not jumping at her and like scaring her off, then she's fine with you. I just want you two to get along more than anything, so that I can have you out flying around the room more often. Oh, you're tired, babe, or is it something else? You trying to tell me something? Every single thing that these bits do make me laugh. I have no idea why. No, I don't think I've ever been felt as happy as I do when I'm around them nowadays. Okay, Kermit, sorry. Keep up the good work, okay? Try not to scare her. I know you probably will eventually, but for now, keep up the good work.